أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وجاءت سيارة فأرسلوا واردهم فأدلى دلوه قال يا بشرى هذا غلام وأسروه بضاعة والله عليم بما يعملون.
A caravan passed by, and they sent their water carrier. He lowered his bucket, and said, "Good news. Here is a boy." And they hid him as merchandise. But Allah was aware of what they did.
وشروه بثمن بخس دراهم معدودة وكانوا فيه من الزاهدين.
And they sold him for a cheap price, a few coins. They considered him to be of little value.